Come on kids, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and dance around. Learning letters is so fun. A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, bounce ahead. C is for cat that says meow meow. D is for dog that barks bow wow. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish swimming in the pool. G is for goat, jumping high. H is for hat we wear outside. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, N, O. Learning letters, here we go. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for juicing cups we hold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, roaring high. M is for monkey, swinging on trees. N is for nest where birds feel free. O is for orange, juicy and sweet. P is for panda, we love to meet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, N, O. Learning letters, here we go. Q is for queen with the golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger with stripes of white. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van, on the lane. W is for whale in the sea so blue. X is for x-ray, see right through. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so fair. Now we've learned our A to Z. Sing it again with me. A, B, C, E, F, G. Learning letters happily. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Q, R, S, T, U, V. W,